Hi Nitin.
Hey, hi.
Nitin, today we are playing a quick guessing game with you. We will give you hints and you need to guess the fund. Are you ready?
Alright, let's do it. What type of fund it is?
Equity.
What's the timeline of investment?
Long term, at least 5 years.
Can you tell me the risk profile of the fund?
Very high risk level.
What type of fund it is and where does it invest in?
It's a thematic fund and it will invest in companies across 11 sectors.
It's Axis Manufacturing Fund. Well, this Axis Manufacturing Fund invests across the value chain, across the sectors, as well as getting benefited from the strong demand trajectory.
Bingo, that is correct.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.